Hi, I'm Matt from My Dinner Ideas. Today we're making my all-time favorite, a juicy, flavorful teriyaki salmon recipe that's as simple as it is delicious. Start by mixing your teriyaki sauce. The secret? Balance sweet brown sugar, salty soy, and the warmth of fresh ginger. Pour the sauce over the salmon and let it rest. Just 20 minutes of marinating transforms the flavor completely. Bake your salmon at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. In just 15 minutes, that glaze will turn golden and glossy. While the salmon bakes, reduce your leftover sauce. This step adds that glossy finish and deep, sweet aroma. Brush your warm glaze over the salmon and watch that irresistible shine appear. This is where the magic happens. Serve it fresh with rice or steamed vegetables. Simple, beautiful, and bursting with flavor. For the full teriyaki salmon recipe, visit mydinnerideas.net and bring a little love to your table tonight.